Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Microsoft Azure step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current infrastructure. Identify the areas where scalability is essential. Log into your Microsoft Azure portal. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the subscription you wish to use for scaling. Create a new resource group if necessary. Choose the appropriate Azure service for your needs. For virtual machines, select Create a Resource and then Virtual Machine. Fill in the required fields, including name, region, and image. Set up the size of the virtual machine based on your workload. Enable autoscaling by configuring your scale set. Define the scaling rules based on performance metrics. For instance, set rules for CPU usage, memory, or request count. Deploy your virtual machine or service. Monitor the deployment to ensure it proceeds smoothly. Access the Azure Monitor for real-time analytics. Set up alerts based on your scaling rules. Review usage reports to understand traffic patterns. Adjust your scaling policies as needed for optimization. Consider implementing Azure Kubernetes Service for containerized applications. Use Azure Functions for serverless options to handle spikes in demand. Implement Azure Traffic Manager to distribute traffic across multiple regions. Validate your setup by simulating increased load. Consistently test performance after your initial scaling. Fine-tune your configurations based on results and feedback. Train your team on monitoring tools available in Azure. Document your scaling process for future reference. Regularly review and update your strategies as services evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.